is not for kids. Click off, kids. Go drink your juice and watch little Caillou.
Hey guys, got a cold beer here. Cold beer is hot food. Well, I got me a 2-4 beer. A little warm though. Gotta try to get it cold. Alrighty. Back here. Oh, God, it stinks back here. Why? It's freaking doggy mines all over the place. Yeah, that's one. I'm not drinking that. I will swap it out. There you go. Nice cold one. Couldn't drink that piss warm beer. Oh my God, I took my guts out. Ugh. Oh, it's been a hell of a time. Last Saturday, somebody thought it'd be funny to come in and slash my mom's tires. So now tomorrow, I gotta get up around 8 in the morning, follow my mom over to the tire place. As you can see, I got all her tires loaded up in the back of my vehicle. Pain in the butt. As you can see, that tire there with the black rim, that's the one that was sloshed. So I gotta get the summer tires taken off of the Impala aluminum rims and transferred onto the black steel rims. So, but that tire there is the one that got sloshed. And people love costing people money. I'm not saying who did it. Like you said, there's no proof, so you can't point fingers, right? You gotta have proof. Yep. Yeah, I'll roll a quick picture of what the car looked like Saturday morning. Yeah, that's what's been going on. So, I gotta follow my mom over to the tire place tomorrow to get that dealt with. Tires, summer tires taken off of the summer rim, put onto the steel rim. And then, all I know is I got a booby trap set up. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna say where it is or how I'm doing it. But there is a booby trap set up. And I definitely now have my, let's put it this way, there is a camera going to be in the window. I'm just not going to say where. It just really sucks, you know. I'm thinking about it really hard. Like last Tuesday, my brother's, he ended up with his tire slashed. And then last Saturday, my mom ended up with her tire slashed. It's like, why is, it's like 4 days later. So it's like 4 days apart from my mom and my brother's car, with both their tires being slashed. Oh, good. Sirens. Maybe they caught who the tire slasher is. That's good timing. Good. It'd be nice to find out they caught him. Fucking asshole. Tires aren't cheap neither. $240 my brother paid for a new tire. I'm gonna hate to see how much it's gonna cost my mom. It's just not a cool thing to do. I know some people do it because they think it's funny, but you know what? It's not funny when at the end of the day when you're costing the person money for tires. Like last fall, I had my tire flattened on my vehicle, and I still have a picture from that. Here it is. Roll it. So this goes out to the person that thinks it's funny to go around attacking my vehicle and my family's vehicles. I got one thing to say and one thing only. Take over, Billy Bob.
If you think you can make my fucking life any worse, you go right ahead. Be my fucking guest. Take a shot.
Yeah, so that goes out to the person that's coming onto my property, flattening their tires. That goes out to you. It's just let this person know. Everybody's luck runs out, you know. Whoever this person is going around flattening people's tires, they'll eventually get caught. They always do. But I got something set up around my house they don't know about. I'm not going to say what it is on my YouTube channel, but just say smile, you're on Candy Camera. I'm not going to say what it is now. I just hope one of these mornings, whoever's coming onto my property flattening their tires, I hope one morning they're going to fuck up. It's like the cops said, oh, well, just put lots of lights up. How many more lights do you want me to put on my house, dude? We already do what Chevy Chase did on Christmas Vacation, just put lights all in the freaking house so you can see my house from space. So come on, dude. Make it a fucking light bill. Well, my house couldn't take down any lights. It'll just keep blowing fuses. Besides, you can actually take as much wattage from the lights I have on the house now. Never mind any more lights. Man, I wish I would have had it earlier. Earlier it was so nice out. Nice and sunny. Now the sun's going down and it's getting cold. This sucks. Wish summer would hurry up. I hate winter. Winter sucks. Oh boy. There we go. Cramp in my foot. Okay, that hurts. Shit. Oh, ow, ow. That hurt. I got a cramp right on my foot. A Chevy and a Dodge. You know, it's in my yard, there's not a Ford anywhere. There's not one Ford product in this yard. You know why? Because Ford's ain't allowed. Chevy and Dodge only. You take your Ford and park it in the scrapyard. Where it belongs. Ford found on the road dead. Oh, that's good. Time for a refill. Holy shit. Went in the house, stole some chicken wings, and didn't realize they were so hot and spicy. My lips are burning. They're like the burning ring of fire over here. Oh, Christ. Oops. Oh, for a fly ride. Cheers. Oh, nice and cold. That's the way I like it. Plus, I haven't eaten those hot, spicy chicken wings. Holy shoot. My lips are burning. Why are they burning? Yeah, it's just starting to get dark. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Hot, spicy. Holy shit. Thursday night, by the way, guys. It is Thursday. It is Thursday, the 30th, March. March the 30th on a Thursday. 2023. Wow, those chicken wings are spicy. Holy shit. Holy mackerel. Lips are still tingling. Oh ho! Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh shit! Uh oh. Oh. Some plum sauce. Mmm. Even with the plum sauce. Oh, wow. It's got a bite to it. Wow. Oh boy. Mmm. That's really good. I just got the regular wing. Mmm. That's good. Now it's time to go back inside and have a beer. Magic trick. Alright, ready to go outside. Magic. I'll see, I got the light in my upstairs window shining down on the driveway. Alrighty guys, we're outside. Got the fucking spotlight up in the upstairs window there. Probably enough time to do one more video after this, and then I gotta go to bed. I gotta be up at 8 o'clock, and well, actually I gotta be up by 7:30 in the morning. All because somebody thought it was fucking cute to come into my yard and slash a fucking tire. Now they put a damper on my fucking night. It's alright. I might have an idea. I'll go back and send a message. Cheers. Thanks guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna pick up the rest of this video in video part 2.
Thanks for watching the video right to the end. Stick around for the next video to be uploaded. And remember, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and